Hello. Why are you looking like this? Oh, I am single, that was the reason. Am I right? Don't worry about that. One good thing about being alone is that I have so much time for myself. People think that I am alone. But I have the greatest support from myself. Loneliness can make you develop into a strong person. People around me are not right for me. So I am alone in the crowd. There is a big difference between lonely and alone. When you feel lonely, you are sad. But when you are alone, you can spend time with the most amazing person in the world. Yes. And that is you. It is up to you. Whether you want to be part of the crowd or walk alone on the way. To find your own identity. Turn your loneliness into your strength. This is the chance for spending more time for my dream and achievements. Are you still worrying about my loneliness? Don't worry. Getting one real good friend is better than 1000 fake friends. Today I have no friends. But I am not worried about that. Because I never missed one good friend. Yes, I believe that spending time with my vision and goal is better than spending time with fake friends. Because I have not interested to waste time for fake friends. And I am only waiting for good friends. One day I get the correct friends. With my biggest achievement. I am waiting.